Keeper Password Manager Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Keeper Password Manager, your ultimate tool for managing passwords securely and efficiently. Links to the product and any special offers are included in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Keeper Password Manager is designed for individuals, families, and businesses who prioritize security without sacrificing ease of use. From its sleek interface to its robust security features, Keeper has positioned itself as one of the top contenders in the password management space. Here's why. First, security is Keeper's standout feature. It uses zero-knowledge encryption, meaning even Keeper itself can't access your data. Combined with two-factor authentication and a dark web monitoring feature that alerts you if your credentials are compromised, Keeper goes beyond basic password storage to proactively safeguard your information. Next, let's talk about usability. Keeper makes generating, storing, and autofilling passwords seamless across all devices. Its browser extension works flawlessly with major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, while the mobile app ensures you're covered on the go. The intuitive folder system allows you to organize credentials effectively, and sharing passwords securely with team members or family is as easy as a few clicks. For businesses, Keeper provides advanced tools like role-based permissions, activity reporting, and compliance management to help you maintain strong security protocols at scale. Families benefit from features like shared vaults, making it easy to manage logins for streaming services, shared accounts, and more. Lastly, pricing is competitive. Keeper offers flexible plans, starting with individual options and scaling up to family and enterprise-level subscriptions, ensuring you get the features you need without overpaying. In summary, Keeper Password Manager combines top-notch security, a user-friendly interface, and advanced features that cater to individuals and organizations alike. If you value peace of mind when managing your digital credentials, Keeper is a strong choice. Be sure to explore the links in the description to learn more or get started today. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.